Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about a very important feature, keyframes. Keyframes are very used in advanced video editing. Before we dive into how to use them, let's first understand what a keyframe is. Imagine you filmed a video of a ball falling from a height, and you want to make the ball slow down just before it hits the ground. Here is how keyframe works. You set the first keyframe when the ball starts falling. Then you set the second frame at the moment the ball touches the ground. CapCut automatically records the motion in between those two keyframes. So you don't need to manually adjust the ball's movement. CapCut will do that for you. So this is the concept of keyframe. Now let's move back to CapCut and I will show you how to set keyframes. I already added a purple background to the timeline. Now I will search for a basketball sticker and select the first one that appears. After it appears on the timeline, click the check mark to confirm. Now let's drag the basketball sticker to change the position. I will also resize it so it's easier for you to see. Also, I will drag the sticker to match the length of the purple background. Keyframe only show up when something is selected on the timeline, whether it's a video, sticker, or text. In this case, let's select the basketball sticker. Then on the right side of the screen, you will see a diamond icon. That's the keyframe button. Now let's move the playhead to the first second of the sticker. Then tap the keyframe button to set the first keyframe. Now let's move the playhead to the fourth second of the sticker. Then let's hold the sticker of the basketball and drag it to touch the ground. CapCut has now recorded the change between the first second and the fourth second. When I stopped adjusting the basketball at the fourth second, CapCut automatically adds the keyframe. Let's tap to view the effect. We can also see the keyframe generated by CapCut at the fourth second of the sticker. Now let's move the playhead to the seventh second. And drag the basketball up into the air. Since there's already a keyframe at the fourth second, CapCut will automatically track the movement from the fourth second to the seventh second. When I stop adjusting at the seventh second, CapCut will automatically add another keyframe. Let's tap to view. We can also see the keyframe generated by CapCut at the seventh second of the sticker's timeline. You can also delete keyframes if you want. Let me show you how to do it. Let's position the playhead at the keyframe of the fourth second of the sticker. Then tap the keyframe button with a minus icon to delete. Now let's type to view. As we can see that from the first second to the fourth second, there's no animation at all because we deleted the keyframe already. But from the first second to the seventh second, there is animation showing the changes of the position horizontally because I have keyframes in between to record the movements. So this is how keyframe works, and it can be applied to videos, stickers, text, and even audios. They are a powerful way to create smooth transitions and animations in your videos.